Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to connect Oticon hearing aids to an iPhone. We are going to take this step by step. If you need to, feel free to pause the video. Before we get started, be sure to have the Oticon Companion app already downloaded and installed onto your device from the App Store. Keep your hearing aids in the charging dock. First, open Settings. Then, scroll down to Accessibility. Then, find Hearing Devices. Remove the hearing aids from the charging dock. Your iPhone is automatically searching for the hearing devices. Once your iPhone has found the hearing device, select it. Your iPhone will ask you if you would like to pair both hearing devices individually. Select Pair for both. Your hearing devices have now been successfully connected to your iPhone. We will now return to the home screen. Please open the Oticon Companion app. If you would like to receive notifications from the Oticon Companion app, select Allow. Otherwise, select Don't Allow. Here, the app is asking for permission to use Bluetooth. Select OK. This prompt is asking permission to report data usage on this application. Select your preference. Select Pair Now to connect your hearing devices to the Oticon Companion app. Please wait while the connection is made. Select Continue. Now select your location monitoring preference. You may follow the steps here to enable the Find My Hearing Aid feature. Your hearing devices are now successfully connected to your iPhone and the Oticon Companion app. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We hope you enjoy the sounds of life again.